Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. This is Allison, and in this video I am sharing with you guys what turned out to be an amazing weekend this past weekend. At the taping of this video, today is the last day of June the 30th, 2026. I had an amazing weekend of exploring, learning, and simply enjoying my life right here in my favorite city in the world, and that would be Atlanta. One thing I promised myself at this stage and season in my life, I was going to stay curious, keep trying new things, and saying yes to experiences that bring me joy. This weekend was full of all of that and more. So I started out by facilitating a journaling workshop at my local independent bookstore, where I shared how journaling has helped me navigate grief. And I also introduced the patrons to my grief journal, which you can find in the description section of this video. Following that, my husband and I attended a Caribbean festival where we soaked up the music, the culture, and the food, and all of the amazing energy. It felt like a mini vacation while we were out at the festival. Then I wrapped my weekend up by attending a flower arrangement class. This was a Mother's Day gift from my daughter. And in the class, I learned how to arrange flowers. So with that said, I hope you really enjoy this video, and I hope it gives some of you a blessing.
Ladies and gentlemen, the beautiful rhythm section, G-Gigs, Georgia, Glam, Iron, Girls, the only woman rhythm section in all of Georgia.
It's a brand new